If you forgot screen time passcode on iPhone, you will be unable to turn off screen time. If you're looking for a way to fix this issue, you're in the right spot. Method 1. Best method to remove forgot screen time passcode on iPhone. Joyoshare Passcode Unlocker is an iOS device unlocking application. In addition to the commonly used 4-digit and 6-digit passcodes, this unlocking tool is also compatible with the sophisticated Face ID and Touch ID. It removes screen time passcode and Apple ID without affecting the data in your iPhone. Also, device management is able to be bypassed. Step 1. Launch Joyoshare Passcode Unlocker on your computer. Select the Unlock Screen Time Passcode option from its homepage. Ensure your iPhone is connected to your computer via a USB cable. Step 2. Make sure that you have disabled the Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone, and then click the Start button to remove your forgotten screen time passcode. Step 3. After eliminating screen time, start settings up your iPhone device. Method 2. Turn off screen time on iPhone via iTunes. Step 1. Launch iTunes on your computer, and utilize a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Step 2. If your iPhone asks you to trust your computer, you may tap the Trust option. Step 3. Choose your iPhone from the menu. Select the Restore iPhone option to continue the process of restoring your iPhone. Method 3. Erase screen time on iPhone via iCloud. Step 1. Open iCloud.com on your browser, and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 2. Look for the Find Devices option, and click on it. After that, enable all devices and select your iPhone. Step 3. Now, click Erase iPhone to remove screen time without a passcode with all your iPhone data. Method 4. Factory reset iPhone to turn off screen time. On your iPhone, launch settings. Now, navigate to General, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings and enter your passcode. This is the end of this video. If it is helpful for you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.